Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here out at the field with the Dancing Wings Hobby RQ7 Shadow. And if you've seen my videos before, you haven't, check it out. I built this from scratch. The build videos are online. You can buy the ARF, but well, you wouldn't have the fun of building it, and it sure was a lot of fun. Well, here it is, looks great. Here's the plane ready to go. It's an absolutely glorious, well, technically still fall day. It's not officially winter yet, although -2 degrees, just so you know, -2 degrees. So I'm going to fly this RQ7 Shadow. This will be the maiden flight, and wish me luck. And there she goes. Oh my God, it works. See how it's flying very slowly? Okay, I'm gonna have to somehow try to swing her around. Well, I don't want to go over there. It's very responsive. It's okay, swing around in a nice big circle. So now the challenge is get it on the ground in one piece. Okay, let's see how we do with this. It's flying very slowly, right?
Very beautiful, I tell you. That's what that plane is.
Yeah, it should be very efficient. Let's see if I can. I don't know if I can bring it around tight enough to land left to right. I think you think the wind's okay? I'm going to have to land from this direction. I just can't. That's running pretty much full throttle too. You know what? Oh, I just realized I should have used the flaps, and I have flaps. Okay, let's see if I can get some flaps on here. Get her down. It's too high. It's just about gliding. Look at that. I do, except like about 10 meters lower. I'm not going to land up there in the air like that. I should have. Okay, I got to come around. My God, it's just about floating. In a different plane, that would have stalled for sure.
Oh, that's a beautiful wing. It's
Uh-huh. Okay. Now, okay, I got to get the throttle up, bring her around, and then see if I can get down. I'm going to have to use down elevator, because okay. Let's see if I can get down. Okay. Oh, I did it. Ah, yes. Let's see if I can get down. Okay. Oh, I did it. Ah, yes.
Now the next one will be easy.
Oh, right. Yeah, right.
The first one is always, now you know where to add throttle. See, that's fly nice, doesn't it?
It does. It does. It flies very, very nice.
Yeah. The guys that designed that wing knew what they're doing
Well, it works. Ah, okay, video. Ah, yeah. Look at that. Where is it? Come on, get it in the shot. There it is. Dancing Wings Hobby RQ7 Shadow Screaming Demon. Well, it doesn't scream, it more or less floats. That was just fun. Really nice plane to fly. Just beautiful. Gonna do some tuning now. I think I have to check some logs and see how fast it was flying. It felt so slow, but it's a big plane, so maybe that's deceptive. Okay, Maiden flight, RQ7 Shadow, Tim the Plane Man, over and out.